I've got a new beauty box to share with you, and it is Asos, and this is the Bridal Beauty Box. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Asos released this Bridal Beauty Box yesterday, and if you're new to Asos, they release beauty boxes monthly, usually within the first few days of the month. It's not subscription, so all the products you can see on their website, so you're able to see whether it's a box for you or not. The pricing is usually around the £20 mark, sometimes a little bit more, but then it also means we have more products in the boxes as well. This box contains 6 beauty products. It costs £20 and it has a value of £70. So a £50 saving. If you're interested in this for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, including any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to show you then what's inside. So you get a little card. It just gives a brief outline of the products inside. A little sneak peek. Right, what's it say? It's wedding season. Whether you're the bride, bridesmaid or a guest, your makeup on the big day needs to be its best. Inside you'll find wedding worthy products that'll give you a flash free base to withstand all the happy tears, and we've even included a fragrance for good measure. Trust us, once you're done with these, you'll want to look back at those wedding photos over and over again. Okay, first up we've got Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I love this. I love the smell, I love the feel. Yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous product. It says here, you need your makeup to last from the ceremony to the reception, so prep your canvas with Bobbi Brown's Face Base. Enriched with vitamins B and C and E, infused with hyaluronic acid, it nourishes and smooths your skin. This is so lovely. And I'm coming to the end of a pot that I've got, but no, this is a nice little travel size. How much we've got here? There's 15 mils here, so it's a primer and a moisturiser in one. But I just love it. It's quite yellow. Look at this. I only want to use a little bit. Don't want to waste it. It's so thick, but it just feels so lovely. And it has the most gorgeous, fresh sort of lemon scent to it as well. Yeah, I love that. So happy with that. All right then, what's next? We've got a perfume. It's Kylie by Kylie Jenner. No, it's not actually. Why do I think it's a perfume? There is a perfume in there. Oh, it's not. It's a pressed blush powder. It's full size and it's in shade You're Perfect. Oh, I'll get it out and do a swatch. Next, apply the peachy Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Powder Blush to your cheeks for a soft focus, just said yes radiance. I haven't tried hardly any products from Kylie Jenner. Ooh, a pressed blush powder. That looks like a setting powder. Got a mirror there. Look at the colour. It just looks like setting powder. Okay. So it's supposed to be peachy, isn't it? There's definitely a peachy tone to it. So my hands are really pale. You're seeing it before me, really. I can't really tell. Looking on the viewfinder here. Let's have a look. That is subtle. That is the subtlest brush I've ever seen, I think. I wonder what that would be like, actually. All over my face. Maybe not. Maybe a bit too orange. That is just too pale for me. Yeah, I'm going to see if my daughter might like it. She's got really, really pale skin. It is very subtle, barely there. Hardly see it on my pale hands. Bit weird, isn't it? Okay, what's next? We have got Revolution, and this is a powder highlighter in shade Peach Lights. Open it up and swatch it. A subtle dust of Revolution's Peach Light Highlighter above your blush, on your Cupid's bow and nose bridge, ensures you catch the light and camera flash perfectly, no matter the angle. These Revolution blushes tend to be a bit too over the top. Shimmery for me. But I might be surprised. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the pearlescent type highlighter where you've got silver, purples, pinks and things in there. No. It's pretty, it blends nicely, but it's not one that I would actually go out and buy then. But we're all different in what we like. Next, lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Kissing Falling from the Lipstick Tree. It's from the Matte Revolution. It says, top off the look with Charlotte Tilbury's Matte Revolution lipstick. For the bride, it gives your pout a soft feel that you'll want for that moment. Little teeny tiny one. It's cute. There. This is nice. I already own this one. It's a nice colour. Yeah, I like that. It's got a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. Then we've got a setting spray by Morphe. This is a mini continuous setting spray. 36.8 grams there. Setting your makeup at least twice is non-negotiable for the celebrations, and your iconic Morphe Continuous Setting Spray does the job better than anything else. Defend your artistry. A microfine mist sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish, and continuous air-powered spray delivers even and controlled application. Let's give it a go then. I'll do one side. There. Do I look glowy because I'm wet? Or can you see a shimmer in my face compared to that one? I don't know. Can you tell a difference? Does it say glowy? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. A radiant finish. I might as well do the other side. I love a setting spray. I love a face spray. I just love the feeling of it. Oh, and I have put quite a bit now. Yeah, it's a nice one, and it's a nice spray as well. It's not too heavy on the face. And then lastly, we have got the perfume. This is Ariana Grande Mod Blush. 7.5 mils there. I haven't smelt this. This box wouldn't be complete without a floral fragrance. So spritz Ariana Grande's Mod Blush Eau de Perfume, which contains notes of bergamot, rose petals and magnolia to create the ultimate memorable scent. We all know I'm not a fan of rose. I do like bergamot though. Oh, I can't get this tape off. I've been doing this for years. I should know by now. Every time I set up to film an unboxing, I should have a pair of scissors next to me. Oh, there, got it. It's all right. Oh, it looks like a little pebble. It's cute. How do you open it? Oh, you twist it. All right. Oh, that's not too bad, actually. It's not rosy at all. Ooh, I was going to hiccup them. It's not the type of rose that I don't like, but it is quite sweet. It is a nice smell, but I think it's too sweet for me. Typical, isn't it? Me worrying about it smelling of roses when there's rose in it, but it doesn't really. But it's a bit too, it's a little bit too sweet. Well, bergamot, rose petals and magnolia. Love the bottle though. That is really cute, isn't it? It's different. Like a little pebble. It's a nice smell, but it's not one that I would wear. Oh my gosh, I feel like that's all I've been doing throughout this unboxing is moan about the products. Let's go through it all and see what I'll be keeping and what I'll be passing on. It's nice, but not nice enough for me to wear it. No, not when I've got other perfumes that I prefer way more. So I'll be passing the perfume on. Revolution Highlighting Blush in Peach Light. Pretty, really, really pretty, but it's the pearlescence. It's quite pearlescent-y. It's just not what I normally go for, so I'll pass that on. This Kylie Jenner blush. It's more like a matte face powder than a blush. It's too pale for me, so I will be passing that on. Love this. Love the face base, so I'll definitely be using that. The lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, the shade there, it's a really nice shade. I've probably got quite a few of them already, so I'll probably pass it on, but that's not to say I don't like it, because I do. I love the formula and I love the colours, just because I've got other ones. And yeah, I've never tried this before. It feels nice on my skin. I'll definitely use it. So half and half. 3 products I'll pass on, 3 products, or maybe 2. I'll keep for myself and use. But as always, what do you think? Do you like this box? Have you bought one for yourself already? Or are you watching this thinking, oh, I quite like that, I'm going to get it, or not? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I've just slapped my thighs. Ow! And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.